Going to install a Givi tank lock on the Suzuki Katana. Hopefully this one's the right one. It says for a V-Strom, but hopefully it matches the same fuel tank cap. And I'll show you the actual Givi bag once I finish the install. So let's go. Just want to check, make sure which way it flips up, so it goes to the back. Comes with this ring. Oops. I want that facing the back. So I'll need to remove the top screw and the rear tube. Or the top bolt, not screw. Question is, do I leave the sticker in place? Now the other thing I need to do, I need to put the washer into. So there's 3 washers have to sit in place before I screw the bolts in. Three of these. Third one. Now I won't tighten it up all the way. You want to check and make sure that the fuel cap opens up. Okay, perfect. Might have been fortunate to be able to keep the sticker on. So you just work yourself around each bolt as you tighten them up so it evenly places it down. Okay, let's have a look at this bag. Make sure the handlebars don't hit. That clears. That clears. Let's hop on the bike. So I've got a little bit of movement, a little bit of space between the bag. So this is the Givi bag I've gone with, Extreme 15 litre. The actual code is XS307. And that's how quick it is to install a Givi bag or a tank bag for your bike. Pretty impressive, really. Now what I like about this bag, I can actually, I'm thinking of eliminating the GPS so my phone can stay here, but I can actually tether my mobile phone to a Android tablet and use the Android tablet for map reading. So I don't know what the limitation will be, probably an 11-inch tablet, and that can sit in here, and this works as a touch screen. Let's open it all up, give you a tour of this bag. It has a inner liner to keep your gear dry, and I'll also use it as a camera bag, and I probably should be able to hold 2 lenses for me as well. It does, what's it come with? Let's have a look. Also comes with, oh here we go, a navigator case on the outside. That's cool. And that just clicks in the top. External, so I can also run, if you don't have power connecting your devices, you can have a battery bank inside your Givi bag, and you just connect that and you run that to your phone. So that's one way of eliminating worrying about having power for your devices. So a nice tank bag with a rechargeable battery will keep all your stuff on the go. And that just flips forward. That. What else is in here? It's a spare ring lock, which I'll use on another bike. It does double as a carry bag as well once you remove it. There's the liner to cover on real wet weather trips. So that's 15 litres. On the side there's extra little pockets, perfect for your batteries, GoPro batteries, stuff like that. And that's the same on the other side. It's got the reflecting material, which will highlight it in low light. The same with the piping on the side here. It's a really cool bag. It is expandable. So you just undo this bottom zipper and that'll expand up even higher. So yeah, I'm really impressed with that. I think this is my second Givi bag. This one's a bit bigger, as you can see, but I'll be able to carry a drink bottle and a camera and probably an extra lens, plus a tablet, so I can edit photos on the go when I'm traveling. Overall, yeah, I think it looks great. So that's the look of the bike with the bag on it. Anyway guys, thanks for watching. I'll keep you posted, and I'll do another review later on to see if I'm 100% happy with the product. Thanks. Ride safe.